An industrial bandsaw blade is a specially designed cutting tool made up of a long and continuous band of metal with a single cutting edge. A bandsaw blade is fitted around two wheels in a bandsaw machine, and these wheels maintain the continuous movement of the blade during the cutting process. Depending on the bandsaw machine, which can be either horizontal or vertical, a bandsaw blade may be oriented horizontally, vertically, or at an angle. A bandsaw blade progressively passes through a material to transform the material into the desired shape and size. For an effective and smooth operation, a bandsaw blade relies on various controls housed by the bandsaw machine. The controls on a bandsaw machine adjust various parameters such as speed and tension. These parameters optimize the cutting efficiency of the bandsaw blade. An industrial bandsaw blade is specifically designed for large-scale cutting processes that can handle a wide variety of materials, including metals, wood, alloys, and plastics, making it extremely versatile. To cater to the wide range of materials, industrial bandsaw blades come in various lengths, widths, configurations of the cutting edge, and material types. In addition to the versatility, the ease of operation and precision offered by the bandsaw blade make it a preferred tool in manufacturing industries.